Hey everyone, this is Divisha Agrawal and welcome back to my channel. I make videos about fashion, travel, lifestyle and beauty. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe because I post videos almost every week and you'll definitely get to learn something if you subscribe. So yes, do that. And coming back to today's video, it's a haul video and I usually don't do haul videos, but I thought you would enjoy it. And actually last month it was my birthday and that's why I did a little bit of shopping. Yeah, so I spoiled myself a little bit. So this is like all the items in this haul I have collected over the weeks, and now I'm gonna show it to you so that you can also like buy, and all the links would be in the description box below so you can check them out. And yeah, let's just begin. So starting the haul with my favorite brand, like it's one of my favorites because of multiple reasons. Actually, it's Forever 21 and I like it because I find my size easily. Then they have really trendy styles and it's quite affordable as well. It's not that expensive, and I got my birthday dress from there. So it's a pink dress. It's a sundress actually, and I actually love sundresses. That's why I got it, and it was on sale as well. So who doesn't like that? It's the material is like really soft and it's pretty comfortable, and you can really style it, accessorize it, and dress it up or dress it down, and you can literally use it in multiple ways. So yeah, I mean, this is a nice dress, and I especially like the neckline of this one because it's just so good. I mean, it looks really gorgeous and pretty and really feminine actually. So yeah, I love it. Secondly, I got this sunglasses from Forever 21. Now I look like a blind person, but these are too big for me, but I like them, so I just got it and I kept it. And the next thing is this blue denim that I got from Forever 21. And the thing about denims and me is that I don't find my size anywhere. I mean, I've checked out almost every brand that's available out there and I don't find my size easily. A perfect jeans that fits me really well, it's very difficult to find. So I found this one in my size and it fits me like a glove, so I just picked it without even thinking twice. It's quite affordable as well. It's good quality and it's great for regular wear. I mean, yeah, so for all the skinny girls out there, I got you covered. You'll find your denim size in Forever 21, and yeah, thank me later. So next up is Only, and I went to the store a few weeks back and I liked a few pieces, so I just picked them up. I'll try to find it online and link them in the description below, so check that out if you are interested to buy the similar pieces. And I picked this black top. It's a really basic black top with these buttons on top, which is really trendy right now, and you can actually dress it up or dress it down according to the occasion. So that's the best part of having basics in your wardrobe, so that's why I just picked it. And another one is this yellow top. It has a tie-up detailing at the bottom, and I really like the V-neck and everything. And the material is really soft and different. I mean, I don't own anything with this kind of material, so I really like this. And the color, of course, it's perfect for summer, and it's bright and yellow and it's nice. So that's why I just picked it up, and yeah, that's from Only. Now coming to Myntra, we have a couple of things. I got this Harry Potter Gryffindor pattern sweatshirt. I really loved it. That's why I just picked it without even thinking. It's from Roadster, and I wore it in one of my videos, and yeah, it looks pretty cute. It's really comfortable and it looks really stylish, and you don't have to put in much effort to style it or anything. Just pair it with basic skinny jeans and tuck it in and it will look amazing. Okay, so I got this pair of heels from Myntra. It's from the brand Roadster, and I did not have a pair of classic black heels in my wardrobe, so I really wanted one. And these are actually really nice. They fit me well, and They look really nice. You must have seen it in my fashion videos or maybe pictures. So yeah, this is a great to buy if you're looking for basic black heels and heels that are comfortable, and these are actually really comfortable. So yeah, give it a shot. Another thing that I got from Myntra is a Forever 21 black skinny jeans. I was looking for one from the longest time and I couldn't find my size as usual. So Forever 21 pit was out of stock. That's why I checked on Myntra and I found one in my size. So I ordered it, and I can't actually show it to you because I'm wearing it right now. But yeah, it fits me really well. It's nice quality, decent quality, and great for regular use. It's pretty affordable again, so that's great. And now moving on, we have a huge package from Nykaa, so let's see what's in it. Okay, so I have this huge box of cosmetics and skincare and makeup here from Nykaa. So I'll show you one by one what all I have. So starting with the thing that I wanted for the longest time, it is the Nykaa Skin Genius foundation. People say that it's really hydrating and it's great for dry skin. That's why I wanted to try it out. I'm in the shade Almond Beige, and this is actually really nice for dry skin type, and for someone like me who doesn't need a lot of coverage and who doesn't like to do heavy makeup. This is perfect because it's light coverage, it looks pretty natural, gives a natural finish. I'll use it in a makeup tutorial soon, so you'll see for yourself. So the next product is a concealer. This one is from Maybelline, and with concealers actually I have never tried one, so I wanted to try this one from the longest time, and I've never used one, so I didn't know which one to buy and everything. But I got great reviews of this Maybelline Fit Me, no it's not Fit Me, Fit Me concealer, and I'm in the shade 25 medium, and trust me, it's a game changer. I've been using it from last 10-15 days and it looks so good on the camera, and you can totally give it a shot. I mean, I'm gonna stick to it for a long time. And okay, so next product is again something that I wanted to try. It's a gel eyeliner. Sorry, goodness. It's a gel eyeliner from Nykaa. So I wanted to try a gel eyeliner again for the longest time, and this one from Nykaa was affordable, and it was a great formula. I read the reviews, I loved it, so I wanted to try it. And it's actually like really nice. It comes in a bottle like this, and you have this what do you call it? You have this brush with a silicone tip for application, for smooth application, and it really is very smooth and very gives a nice finish to your liner. So I'm loving it so far, but you need some skills to apply, but practice के साथ में हो जाएगा, don't worry. So this is that, and after that I have this makeup remover from Garnier Micellar Water, because of course इतने सारे मेकअप को हटाने के लिए कुछ तो चाहिए, right? So this is this, and these are the makeup removal wipes from Tulips. It's really nice actually. I've used a few, and great quality. One wipe is enough for your entire face, and it's nice. I mean, it's soft and it's gentle on your skin. Nice. So next up is another makeup remover, makeup cleanser actually. This is an oil-based cleanser because I have a dry skin, and this micellar water sometimes makes my skin dry, and it doesn't feel right. So I wanted to try this from Biotique. It's again really cheap and good quality, so great for removing that stubborn liners or mascara or waterproof stuff from your eyes or face. So yeah, give it a shot if you are into makeup and if you want to try. Then we have okay, so I have been loving Biotique products lately, and I was going through their range and I found this Biotique Bio Morning Nectar face moisturizer. this also has SPF, so which is great for regular use in summer, and you can definitely give it a try if you want to. And yes, so next up is another product from Biotique. This is a lip balm. So this lip balm is really nice actually, but it is like highly pigmented, if you can see. I mean, I don't have any lipstick on. I just applied this before recording this video, and you can see how pigmented it is, and it's great for daily use if you are not a lipstick person just like me. So this is really nice. And after that we have last product, which is this little guy. This is my favorite cleanser of all time. This is Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser. This is great for dry skin and for acne prone skin as well. So I am gonna stick to it for a long time. So that's why I ordered another one, and you should definitely check this out. So that's it for today's haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope that you found some products for yourself, and I inspired you to, you know, spoil yourself once in a while. But anyway, please let me know, and let me know if you want more videos like these, and comment your favorite product from the whole video, your favorite you know, item of clothing or makeup or anything that you want to try. Please comment and tell me. I would love to know. And if you enjoyed this video, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel and comment. And I'll see you super soon. Bye bye.